Mark, as president of the National Venture Capital Association, what investment trends are you noticing right now?
We're seeing numerous trends. One, IT continues to be the bedrock of venture capital, and will continue. On the clean tech arena, continues to be a strong area of investment, contrary to what many people think. But you're seeing a difference, a shift in the clean technology arena, away from these huge, massive, very long-term projects to more short-term types of deals in such as architectural design, building materials, better lighting, electrical grid type of companies.
And in what regions do you think we'll see these deals? Here in New York, Silicon Alley, it's said to be hot right now. Are there any other regions?
I think that what you're seeing right now is a contraction of the industry as a whole. I think because of that, you see money going back to the traditional areas of venture. So I think California, Silicon Valley actually gets more dollars over the next several years. And I think New York City in particular is a hot area, and I think that it had been hot at another period and became cold. I think this time you're seeing real interest and permanent interest in New York, and so I think that this is a very exciting community because of the social media space, and I think that's going to continue for a long time.
Speaking of social media, we recently saw Facebook complete
Yes.
its IPO. It didn't go quite as expected.
Right.
It was originally it was predicted that it was going to spur activity, IPO activity.
Mm-hmm.
Do you think that's still the case?
Well, I've always said that every IPO has to stand on its own feet, and so I think that Facebook, even if it had done very well, its coattails would have been short. I think the opposite is more concerning, and that is if Facebook does not do well in the long term, I do think it impacts other entrepreneurial companies, because I think they are much more reticent about going public. If Facebook couldn't go public and do so in a way that really repaid investors, I think that you're going to see more companies either hold back and continue to get venture financing or go the acquisitions route.
And speaking of acquisitions, what do you think about the valuations we're seeing right now in these deals?
Potential acquirers can walk away from deals, and so when you see potential acquirers saying, you know, we think that this is a little too high, they're not going to buy. And so I think that what we have seen is an improving acquisitions market, but if you don't have an open IPO market, you have a much more sophisticated acquirer who's going to say, I'm going to wait it out and prices will come down.